Okay, and I'm fine. Okay, today before we start our program English Day, I will check your spirit ya. If I say SR, nah, oke ulangi SR, Sekolah Rakyat SMA 31 Pekanbaru. Yang spesifik dan aktif, mandiri, aman dan nasionalis, kreatif dan unggul, itu nilai karakter SMA 31 Pekanbaru. Okay, today in this program we will watch atau we will see your friends' performance. It's about telling a story about their holiday when they get holiday. Yeah, same as we, all of the students get a holiday. Actually, each student have our stories, but today we will hear or we will listen our friends to tell their story in front of you ya. Oke, paham nggak tadi? Okay, some of you understand what I speak, but most of you not really understand. Okay, I will explain it in Indonesia. Okay, hari ini adalah program English Day dan saya yakin setiap siswa ketika liburan itu punya ceritanya masing-masing. Tapi hari ini kita akan mendengarkan cerita teman kita yang maju hari ini. Yang maju hari ini adalah beberapa siswa dari kelas 10-2. Oke, tapi nggak apa-apa. Nanti di hari Rabu minggu depan gantian kelas 10 satu. Oke, I think kita langsung aja nanti bagi siswa yang mau tampil bagi siswa yang mau tampil nanti maju baris di sini, terus maju satu-satu. Bagi yang tidak tampil, nanti saya persilakan duduk. Nanti tugasnya mencatat kosakata dari satu orang sampai terakhir yang cerita. Mencatat 10 kata kerja saja, kata kerja, just only verb. Ya, kata kerja saja. Oke, nanti setelah mencatat kata kerja silahkan dibuat contoh kalimatnya bersama dengan Bapak Ibu Guru yang nanti ditunjuk untuk membimbing kalian. Nanti saya bagi. Oke, do you understand? Yes, ulangi coba tadi tugasnya apa yang nggak maju? Mencatat 10 kosakata kata kerja. Oke, terus apa lagi? Dibuat kalimat bersama guru pembimbing. Oke, nanti kata kerjanya dibuat perubahan dari bab 1, bab 2, bab 3. Kata kerja yang diucapkan oleh teman-teman kalian nanti yang maju mostly menggunakan verb berapa? Verb 2. Oke, karena cerita masa lampau, masa lalu. Oke, menggunakan verb 2 atau menggunakan tense apa? Past tense. Oke, past tense. Oke, kita langsung aja. Silakan saya yang manggil atau kalian yang maju sendiri. Oke, semuanya yang nggak maju silakan bukunya dikeluarkan. Oke, ambil dikeluarkan. Oke. Bagi siswa yang maju silakan baris di depan. Ya. Apa? Kan beda kan? Disebut macam apa? Jadi kalau ditulis about my story. Tell me my stories about todaynya apa gitu. Sambil baca itu punya siswa kayak gitu. Thank you for your attention. I would like to tell about my stories. Okay. My holiday in library. My holiday in library. I together for okay, I come up to 10. You have to stand and sit down in this field. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oke. Sebelumnya saya bacakan beberapa peserta yang akan maju hari ini. Yang pertama ada Safa, the first Safa, and the second Safa. The second is Manja, the third is Ayu, fourth, Feby, fifth, Indah, and then Siva, and the last Asmalinda. Feby, you want to share with us? Okay, before we start our show today, please give applause our friends. Mana suaranya? Kurang keras. Oke, untuk yang pertama silakan dimulai siapa?
Udah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Okay, in this occasion I would like to tell about my story. About my holiday. Last weekend, I went to my friend's house. Gather and eat together. We decided to do something special that day by cook on meat instead of butter. We choose to make mie ayam or chicken noodles for our lunch. When I arrived, my friends had already prepared some ingredients. We divided the tasks. Some of my friends prepared the noodles and chopped the vegetables. While I helped to cook the seasoned chicken topping, we also made the savory broth from scratch. That day was very pleasant for me, even though we were tired from cook. The meat iron was delicious because we made it together. It was a simple but very memorable moment of togetherness. Thank you. Thank you for attention and this time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Silakan catat kata kerja yang tadi yang disampaikan sama Safa. Oke, dari semuanya.
I hope you enjoy to listen my story about my lazy but fun holiday. Last holiday was really relaxed and fun. I didn't went anywhere special, but stayed at home was actually enjoyable. I spent most of my days in my room, read books, watch my favorite series, and listen to music. I felt amazing to just rest and forget about school for a while. Even though I stayed in my room most of the time, I still helped my mom a little. I cleaned my messy room, organized myself, watered the plants, and folded the laundry. About cooking is not my passion. My mom is better in the kitchen than me, and she loved when I offered to help her. So yeah, my holiday was calm, simple, and enjoyable. I didn't travel or do anything fancy, but relaxed at home. Helped my mom a little, and spend quality time with my family made me really happy. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what I need to recharge for my school preparation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Gimana sih? Gimana? Udah. Bapak. Tadi pegang aja deh. Maaf banget. Pakai nggak? Nggak tunggu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. How are you? Fine. In this occasion, I would like to tell my stories about my school last holiday. I hope you enjoy to listen my story. Last school holiday, I spent my time at home. Relaxed and did fun activities after a long study. The holiday lasted about 2 weeks and it was really enjoyable. At the beginning of the holiday, I spent more time at home. I watched movies, I played my phone and did my hobbies. I also helped my parents at home. A few days later, I went to hang out at my friend's house. There, I met my friends from boarding school. We played and exchanged stories with each other. In the afternoon, we went to look for food. We bought dim sum, seblak, and green tea. After looking for food, we continued by parenting bicycles and went around the city of Karawang. while walk around the city of Rawang. We also bought snacks on the side of the road. I think yesterday holiday was cute, exciting, because I can meet old friends again, and also made my mind fresh. Even though I had to went back to school, I had to stay enthusiastic. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So, this time I will share a little about my experiences during the recent holiday. During the holiday, during the holiday I helped During the holiday, I helped my neighbor decor for their child's birthday party. That night, my friends and I decor from 8 p.m. until midnight. Filled with stories, we're making videos to post on social media. You know, just like typical young people. Then we snack and ate noodles that night. We had fun, we laughed together. For me it was my best holiday because I could meet my friends again. And that night I could also learn to decor. I filled my holidays with useful activities so that I could fill in the holiday journal given by my teacher. That was one of my holiday activities yesterday in 2025. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah. Oke. Hello everyone. In this occasion, I would like to tell my story about my holiday in the library. I hope you enjoy to listen my story. Last holiday, I visited a library I often went to before. It felt familiar and very quiet. I look for non-fiction books like philosophy, like attendant guides, and mental health. I also read some fiction books and read
a few pages in a quiet corner. After read for some time, I moved to another section and looked for a novel. I found and continued read until noon. Before leaving, I checked the books I brought. I felt happy because it was calm and useful. Visit the library reminded me how much I very enjoy it. Thanks for you. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause to our president.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, in this occasion I would like to tell my story about my activities on the holiday. I hope you enjoy to listen my story. At the beginning of the holiday, I just stayed at home, but occasionally I went out to play with my friends. Not only stayed at home, I also visited my other relatives to maintain family ties. While at their house, I helped my mother clean the house, and I went to the market with her for shop. I also cleaned my room and washed my own clothes. Every morning and afternoon, I bathed my younger siblings, and after that, I continued to clean the yard of my house every afternoon. Besides that, also played with my friends and I spent time with them. I felt very happy did all of that. I did not waste my time at all. I was very enthusiastic during the holiday because I got together with my family and friends again. That's all my story about my activities on the holiday. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi. In this occasion, I would like to tell my story about my story during school holiday. I hope you enjoy to listen my story. One day during the school holiday, I went back home during the holiday. I didn't go out much, only a few times. One night, I went out on a Sunday night with my older sister. The next day, I went to my friend's house to cook it together, and then went to my grandmother's house. On a beautiful night, my family and I had dinner together at my grandmother's house, my mom's big family. And the next day, my friend and I had the idea to make a salad dish Rafa sebelah. We made it on Tuesday night. That night we bought the ingredients to make Rafael Seblat. We bought the ingredients to our version of Rafael Seblat, where 1 roast crackers, 2 aromatic ginger, 3 chili, 4 royco and oil. Those were the ingredients my friend bought to make Rafael Seblat. After bought the ingredients, we immediately made it that night. We had fun at Grandma's house. We ate together with my big family and Calmette friends, and it was one of the best vacation of my 2025. That's all my story about my activities. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, friend. How are you all? Okay, I'll tell you about my holiday. When I visit home was in the melody. Get by my mother and get when I visit home was immediately get my mother and get her that went into a house. After that put my things away and continued to shower. After taking shower, I ate, and after eating and on carbon. The next day, went to my grandmother and grandfather grave, and in the afternoon, I fly in my friend's house. After come home by mother friend's house, I did a go. Anywhere they I'll see until day to end. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Gimana tadi performance-nya? Do you understand about why they telling to you? Do you understand? Kalian tahu? Kalian paham? No. Oke, jadi tugas kalian adalah belajar bagaimana bisa menjadi seperti mereka. Bagaimana bisa memahami cerita orang lain yang menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Itu tugas kita semuanya. Okay, give applause to our student that have performed. Oke, selanjutnya nanti tulis 10 kata kerja dan perubahannya dari verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Nanti disetorkan kepada guru pembimbingnya masing-masing. Saya bacakan guru pembimbingnya. saya bacakan guru pembimbingnya. Silahkan diingat atau dicatat di catatannya masing-masing. Yang pertama Afdal, Zahra Bayu sama Bu Noni, Dinda Farel Jaya Fauzan dengan Pak Wisnu, Kamelia Akbar dengan Bu Melani, Ardidan, Firman dan Mei dengan Pak Alza, Randy dan Mita dengan Bu Citra, Fadil dan Pinza dengan Bu Dela, Rabi dan Rehan dengan Bu Marin, Marvel, Rindi dan Ririn dengan Pak Rido, Aira, Winda dan Anissa dengan Bu Fau. Oh, Vivi-nya Rofi. Oh iya, Rofifa dengan Bu Marin. Berarti Rabi, Rehan dan Rofifa dengan Bu Marin. Oke. Terus Agus dan Siva dengan Bu Tari, Au Gede dengan Bu Mita, Vino dengan Bu Mita, Fahrul dengan Pak Ubay, Faisal dengan Pak Panji, Ingati dan Syakila dengan Januar, Pak Januar, sorry. dengan Pak Januar. Saya ulangi, Ingati dan Syakila dengan Pak Januar, Mariati, Farel Iranda dengan Bu Safira, Raihan dengan Bu Isa, Ridho, Said dan Suci dengan Bu Hani, Subi dengan Pak Habib. Oh, nggak jadi maju ya tadi ya? Bentar. Disvita ya, Disvita. Disvita dengan Bu Iza. Disvita sama Bu Iza. Oke, nanti tugasnya silahkan ditulis dan disetorkan kepada guru pembimbingnya masing-masing. Pokoknya sebelum selesai pembelajaran, jadi jam 2.30 harus sudah bimbingan dengan guru pembimbingnya masing-masing. Oke. Setelah kita bubar acara hari ini, kalian langsung masuk ke kelas masing-masing, mulai pembelajaran seperti biasa. Oke, nanti setorannya pokoknya selama pembelajaran. Nanti boleh diizinkan nggak Bu kalau mau setoran? Pasti istirahat ya? Sampai jam 4. Oke. Waktunya sampai jam 4. Boleh kalian setoran di waktu istirahat aja. Oke, do you understand? Oke, kalau gitu silakan berdiri. Stand up please. Ikut barisan. Ya, kenapa? Oh ya. Oke, all of you semuanya siap gerak. I count up to 3, you have to ready. 1, 2, 3. Oke, semuanya siap gerak. Tanpa penghormatan. Ulangi. Setelah ini langsung masuk ke kelas masing-masing, ikut pembelajaran seperti biasa. Tanpa penghormatan, bubar jalan.